I see some ghetto people throw some things in the gully. But when the rain coming up, it wash it down to the sea, you know. And then the fish eat it, you know. And then the fisherman catch the fish, you know, the Sunday man it come back on your plate. The same nasty, so you don't let it see the gully. Come right behind your plate Sunday morning. Is that terrible thing? That's how nature going on. You think that you me? You ever pass some gully yet, man? I don't want where the mother come from there. Where place are the mother come from? Where the place them again? You try to me, I remember. Cassava peas. You ever see that gully there yet, Rasta? Me I wonder how the people don't recognize it. Sunday morning, they don't go and eat back the sea rubbish, all the chewing and the gully. Because they go down and see the fish, they go eat it, and the fisherman will catch the fish and carry go back and tell you. And you pay for your rubbish to kill yourself. It's a terrible thing. So,